My name is Cathrine, and what brought me here today was I've had partials all my life, most of it. So today I'm having a full mouth of dental implants done. I'm excited now. Now I'm anxious. I want to be done here and go get my teeth.
So what we're doing right now is I'm just going through her bone and kind of seeing where I'm going to place my implants. We're placing 4 to 5 implants on the top, 4 to 5 implants on the bottom, and she'll be going home with fixed teeth today. Actually, in 4 hours. Everything will be done in-house. We have our designer here. We have our team. We're here, Paramount Dental in Roseville. Let's get started. I want 2 implants that are 4.0 by 18, and then I need 2 implants that are 4.3 by 10. 4.3 or 4.0 by 10, okay? Thank you.
So while the patient is in surgery and doctor is working on the patient, I can go ahead and start the pre-design. These are the teeth that have been extracted right here. And I have my pre-op scan with some extracted teeth with guidelines for midline, and these are my landmarks here. As you are in the chair getting your surgical treatment, I am already working on your teeth.
I can only chew on one tooth. I only have one tooth I can chew on. My 2 front teeth are I can taste the liquid or whatever's inside of them draining out. And then I got one back here that's draining. So instead of spending money on fixing those teeth, I'm just going to take them out. And I'm driven by 100 forms of fear. I'm afraid not to do it. I struggle a lot with my appearance, yes, because I meet and greet people at my job all day, and I don't want to smile because if I smile too big, then they'll see that I don't have any teeth in the bottom. And then sometimes I forget to put my partial in, and people will wave good morning or say hello to me, and I'll smile, and then oh God, I catch myself and I ain't got no front teeth. So it's uncomfortable, embarrassing to understand it. Yeah, you would have to smile like that, and it's not comfortable. I used to be told all the time what a nice smile I had, and I haven't heard that in a long time. So my teeth are really hurting right now. I haven't been willing to smile as much anymore. And people keep telling me, smile, it's not a bad day, smile. And I'm like, maybe I don't feel like smiling. Can't tell them because I got no teeth. I need my dental implants, please.
All right, so we're done with the surgery. It took us about 2 hours to do the whole thing. And now we're just waiting for her teeth to be done, which will be another 2 hours, and she'll be ready for her Thanksgiving.